too. Okay, Landon. Go get the tomato plant. Oh. Landon, come here. Come here. Come get Mama's phone. You can do it. You were just doing it. Come here. Wow, my boy. Good job. Go get that tomato. Good. Awesome. Wow, Landon. Can you walk towards Mama?
Go get Mama. Go get Mama.
Look, Landon. Look at Mama's phone.
You just did it.
Well, that was a good turn. Can you bring him to the shade?
Yeah.
It'd be easier to see. Come get the tomatoes. It looks far, but you can do it. Come here. Come on. Landon, look. It's bedtime. Look at Mama's phone.
He's probably tired.
Come get it. Come get it. I see you. Come here. Come here. Wow, you did awesome, honey.
Did you get some footage?
Oh, yeah.
That was good.